This little guy just fell out of the tree.
Yeah, he's so cute. But his feathers are kind of messed up.
Yeah, he still looks too young to fly, but I'm gonna figure out what to do with him. Okay, so we've decided to make this little nest sort of thing under the tree that it fell from and just kind of leave it here, and hopefully the mother will come back for it. It's okay. It's okay. Easy. You're all right. I know. You'll be okay.
It's like it's in a queen-size bed.
Also, guys, don't ever handle birds that fall. There's this one disease going around.
Avian flu.
The avian flu that you can get from touching birds. It doesn't hurt us humans, but it can get passed on to other animals.
Mm-hmm.
So again, don't pick up birds like this. As soon as this is over, I'm going to wash my hands very well. And nobody else here touched the bird, so hopefully the mother will come back for it.